Hello, how are you doing? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And today we have a new product that we just received in the mail. So let's unbox this. I'm sure this is an item that I ordered from, I don't know if it was Alibaba Express or Amazon, but it is a Tesla product that I will be applying onto my Tesla. So without further ado, see what it is. All right. So, as you can see, this is the auto ceramic coating. For anybody that doesn't know what that is basically the ceramic coating bottle that you can order, to which you can apply the ceramic coating onto your vehicle yourself. And because I got my car wrapped, the people that wrapped my car recommended that I get a ceramic coating put on my vehicle in order to add more protection and in order to ensure that the water just beats off the vehicle. So, as you can see, this is the 9H Mr. Fix Auto Ceramic Coating. And let's see what this is. Okay, so I guess it comes with an extra sponge here. And another sponge in here. Very, very nice. Very nice quality. I'm going to put this back in here because I don't want it disinfected. Here we go. So it comes with another sponge right here. And here are the two bottles. So this is a 30 milliliter auto ceramic coating. And it provides permanent protection and it has scratch resistance. Okay. So I will be applying this to my vehicle. So stay tuned for that. I will have a video. And here's another bottle right over here. Very, very nice. I decided to get two bottles because uh, in the future I will be applying another coat. Um, I'm going to see how the first one reacts with the vehicle. It also comes with a pad here. It also comes with a little, I would say, okay, so it comes with a set of instructions. It tells you exactly what to do and the things that you're supposed to do. So you can see the instructions right here. So I'll definitely be following the instructions because I definitely want to get this right and make sure that the ceramic coating is sealed on my vehicle. I highly recommend that you ceramic coat your vehicle, just to provide that protection. And let me put this back in the box here. So I guess I'll be using one of these bottles and one of these pads to apply the ceramic coating. If you want to order your own ceramic coating bottle, I'll have the link in the description. All right. So, thank you for watching. That was another short video. That's all I got to say. So, thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.